Hi, I'm Kim from DB2 Overland, and today is a big day for me. I am going to do my first solo motorcycle trip. I am going to be riding about 150 miles to Atlanta, Georgia, and the reason I'm going is that I am taking a Ride Like a Pro class. Super excited about this because I want to be proficient in handling my 2021 Road Glide Special. So I am excited, nervous, kind of apprehensive, but I think I'll be all right. I'm used to riding with my husband and a small group of people. I'm gonna go and fix me something to eat, so have some fuel for the road, and then I'm gonna get packed up and I'll see you out on the road. Okay, I'm gonna fuel up, punch in my destination, and get going. We made it to Little River Canyon. We're gonna go take a look at the waterfall and warm up a little bit. It's been brisk, probably about 25-mile-an-hour winds, and it is still cold, just to let you know. All right, let me get my helmet off. We'll go take a look at the falls together. picked up a little pamphlet, and it will give you lots of good information if you ever decide to come this way. But again, what a beautiful little spot. I've been here a few times, but figured I'd take you all with me. So I'm gonna get back on the bike and get my heated gear plugged in. So I hope you enjoyed this little stop. Okay, so that was a really chilly ride. So I feel pretty accomplished. I made it to my destination, got to the hotel. We got to stop at the Little River Canyon, and I am freezing. But so tomorrow is the Ride Like a Pro class, and I'm really looking forward to it. Just maneuvering in some of these tight spaces, I'm like really needing some professional help. So tomorrow morning, get up bright and early and head on over to the destination parking lot, and we'll get some training in. And so I feel like I was pretty nervous when I first left the house, and I don't know why, other than I felt a little restricted. I mean, yeah, it was cold out and stuff, but I did learn my ponytail was tucked in my coat and I couldn't turn my head. And I was like, oh my God, this is so annoying. So yeah, I had to pull over and pull that out. And then I think I stopped and peed like, I don't know, 100 times. It was like ridiculous because it was so cold out. But yeah, other than that, I felt pretty good about my first time. So I'll see you in the morning. How's that? Okay, real quick side note. I met the most interesting couple of guys at this Ride Like a Pro class. One of them, his name is Scott Reese, and they have a foundation called Broncos Benevolence Foundation. And what they do is they raise money for children, pediatric organ donation. And you can go to their website and get one of these really cool calendars. The 2022 is Old Farts in a Tart. So look at what these guys are doing. I mean, this is pretty cool. They're tastefully nude photos. And there's one of the gentlemen that was at the class. And then you have Santa Claus, Mr. Scott himself. There you go. These two guys were in the class, and Scott told me about his son and his struggles for organ donation and what they went through as a family. If you want to help donate to a cause, this is a really great cause. You never know what people are going through and what they have overcome, and realize what they need to do to help others. So if you have it in your heart, check out the Broncos Benevolence Foundation and get yourself a calendar or make a donation. They're mostly in the Atlanta area. www.broncosheart.org, and I'll put a link into the description box below if you're willing to help out in the Atlanta area and help some of these families offset the cost for pediatric organ donation. Now, back to the class. Thanks. Made it home. Was a really great class. Gary Roy did a great job teaching, and we ended up, I think, with 8 students total in the class. Let's see, we finished a little bit early, and I received a text message from my husband saying that everybody decided last night that they were going to go for a ride, and they rode out to meet me 3 hours, and then we ended up going and having a lunch, and after lunch we went and saw the, let's see, it is the Coca-Cola, the first Coca-Cola mural. So that was really cool. So that's in Cartersville, Georgia. If you ever get a chance to go out there and see that first wall mural for Coca-Cola. And then we just made a few small stops on the way home, and made it back safely. So that was nice of them to meet me and ride home with me. But overall, I think it was a successful first solo trip to Atlanta. It was a 3-hour ride for me solo, and had a successful class. So I'm glad you could go along with me and see what it was like for me being first solo trip. And anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you down the road.